Today we learn the English vowels. The English alphabet has 26 letters, but did you know 5 of them are very special? Vowels. Say them with me. Ready? A, E, I, O, U. Vowels help us to make words. Watch this. If I take the word cat and remove the A, we have the word kt. It doesn't sound right, does it? That's because vowels help words make sense. Let's practice the vowel sounds together. A, a, like apple. E, like elephant. I, like igloo. O, like octopus. U, like umbrella. Great job! Like and save this video to practice again.